Well, before we get to the using the UV light for finding shells in your meat, I had a viewer ask me how I pick crabs because she said it always looked nice, nice big lumps of crab meat. And I'm far from an expert, as you know. If you look at our videos, it takes me 4 hours to pick 30 crabs. But anyway, I'll show you how I do it. We clean the crabs when we do it. It makes it easier. If we're going to use the meat, we always clean the crabs. And I break the crab in half first. Just use a pair of scissors and cut the legs off. Then sometimes snip the ends like here. Then I break the crab in half. Then I use a pick. If there's any loose shells, pull them off. If you see any. Then won't get your meat. So you got this part. And just go up under the chambers. And if there's a big hunk of meat, see this nice piece of meat comes out. And these crabs got a lot of meat in them. That's why I get every little piece and try not to get any shells in there. If I feel a shell, I just drop it in the tray here so that it's all cleaned out. And you just do the same with the other half. Well, that's how I do it. That's why I'm so slow. But it gets the job done, right?
Right, with no shells.
No shells. Well, we're going to check for shells. That's what we're going to do next. All right, now we're going to try to find the remaining shells that I left in the crab meat. And there's always some. And we're going to use a UV light. And I got a couple of them. And they're not that expensive. You're going to use you can get one like this. This is like $14. And this is about $6, this little one. This is a lot nicer. And you can get it on Amazon or eBay. They're all the same, I guess. But it works pretty good. And we got quite a bit of crab meat now. That's about what we made that spaghetti sauce. So what's this, about 25 crabs or so?
Yeah, about 25 crabs.
And you're going to need a pair of tweezers to get the shells out. And the first thing we're going to do is spread them out on this tray here. And we'll spread it out a little bit. So that's all right for now.
Yep.
And we're doing it in daylight. We're just going to shut the light out. I'll shine the light in. Joyce is going to pick them up with her tweezers. Is that one?
That's definitely one. That's a hard one.
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Now how about the rest of the meat? It's got green on there. This one works a lot better than the smaller light.
No, that one.
And some of the meat, once in a while, that'll light up.
Sort of that yellow green.
Right there, that
usually
little tiny one, right in there.
Here?
Yeah, little. No, right next to it.
There's a sliver.
Go right next to it. There's a little one there.
There's a sliver.
Yeah, that's a little sliver. It's kind of neat. It gets everything.
Oh, there's a little tiny one right there. This piece has got a bunch of it in there.
Little itty bitty ones, huh?
Yep. You have a bowl of water there. It gets the shells.
Yeah, if we put them in a bowl of water.
But look how they glow.
Look how, yeah. You never find them without this. You'd find them when you're eating.
When you're eating them, you'll find them.
There's one right facing you. Yep. And might as well get that one. It's standing right out. Is it?
Yep.
Is it shell? Put in the bowl. Hey, right next to it, there's something. Little one.
Real little. Geez, that's a tiny.
It finds everything, so you get every little piece of shell. If you got patience.
Oh, there's a real little one sticking
up. Look at
up.
that little tiny guy. See, that kind sticks on your finger when you're picking.
That would hurt. That would go in your.
In your teeth.
Yeah, in your teeth.
Look how it lights up. It's kind of neat, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's not nighttime either. We don't have to make dark.
No. So you're going to use this to make crab cakes, and we're going to do stuffed grouper, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we don't want any shells on our crab cakes or stuffed
No,
grouper.
oh no, it's nasty.
We get complaints. There, right there.
Right there. Oh wow, this is little.
Yeah, look at it.
That's a tiny one.
That's like not
Yeah.
even a 1/16 of an inch. Right there. So there's even one smaller there. Look, it's lit up. Right. Not that. Right in front of you. Right there.
Oh, right.
No, back towards you.
Well, that
Straight
is-
back. Oh, you saw another one?
Yeah.
Straight back. It's a real little speck right in there. That's
Right-
it.
Oh my.
A little
You
speck.
gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. A tiny little speck. All right, now back here.
Oh, there's one. There's two right there.
And right to the left.
Yep. And another one, I see it. Over here.
Takes a little time, but it's worth it. Right?
It's well worth it.
Look at that one.
That one's
light
pretty.
up. Look
Ooh,
at it
that's-
glows.
Yeah, that
You
one.
can use these lights to look for scorpions too if you live down in Florida. They light right up. Or they said that like, if you go to a strange hotel or motel, you can look for bed bugs, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what they say. We never. Just one thing. I wouldn't let kids touch it. I wouldn't shine it in your eyes. Well, I mentioned you could find a scorpion, and if you live around Florida, Arizona, and them places where you got scorpions. And this is one of the ones we found in our house. We used to find them every once in a while, but you haven't found it in a couple of years, have we?
No.
But they'll just show up. But look how they shine. They'll show right up. Well, the 25 crabs I picked, we ended up with 1.5 pounds of the lump crab meat or back fin meat, whatever you want to call it. And we had a little over 1/2 pound of the claw meat. And we're going to turn it into crab cakes and stuffed grouper. And I want to thank everybody that subscribed to our channel. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and we never thought we'd make that. Did we, Joyce?
No.
When I
It's
started
two old people.
Right. Yeah, when I started the channel, it was just something to do, just to see what happened. And I can't believe we hit 1,000 subscribers. So we want to thank everybody that subscribed to our channel and helped us get there. And if you like this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks a lot for watching.
Give me a bite of that.